Well, there's no doubt that we are living in an age where everybody brings their own device, and don't be fooled. If they're not bringing their device into the workplace, the chances are they're probably using their device outside of the workplace to connect. And that creates a security challenge for all of us. So we're going to go over in this video some of two primary challenges that present themselves. And this is just a standard architecture of an environment that we're going to draw out. So let's start with the tablets and the desktops here. Kind of our first challenge in this environment is security. So how do we secure all of these devices, these unknown devices in our environment is highlighted here in red? We have to be able to secure these. So this is challenge number one that is threatening our environments. And then challenge number two is somewhat associated with that, and that is how do we maintain service level agreements within our environment when bandwidth we cannot understand nor plan for the capacity of bandwidth, and our applications and services that we're providing to customers and consumers absolutely requires this bandwidth. So it's kind of a double whammy here, right? We don't know what devices we have, and because of those unknown devices, whether they're connecting with Ethernet or wireless, here we have a bandwidth challenge, and the challenge is created by lots of reasons, of course. So let's look at two potential solutions here. One solution here to the first problem, the security threat, is to have a technology in place in your mobile infrastructure, in your architecture that you're supporting mobile devices with, that does an active inventory, policy based, and allows you to do auto provisioning of these devices as they come in. We want to be able to quarantine, for example, these devices when they do not meet specific rules or policies that we've established, security levels that we've established. And there's another video that talks about how to set that up. And we want to establish policy so that when they do come on, we can have them do specific things. So one is whenever anything connects to our infrastructure, we're going to want to make sure that it has an active inventory. And there's software applications that are in the market today that do this very well. And then to deal with the SLA challenge within our environment, again, you have to have a solution that's going to help us manage this bandwidth, do prioritization, shaping, things of that nature, so that we can meet those service level agreements that have been defined by our consumers of IT. So here we're able to, through software, implement technologies like SDN and other technologies that allow us to manage that bandwidth, put priorities based on a user's name or a MAC address of their device or a number of other ways that we can do that. Give them prioritization as far as how fast they can download and upload and usage and all of that stuff. So all of these things, both of these solutions, active inventory, policy, auto provisioning, bandwidth management, prioritization, shaping, all possible when you set up a mobile infrastructure. And I would strongly suggest that before you start offering BYOD to your users, that you have these two basic things under control.